guys, so welcome back to my cooking channel. So now I'm going to cook Maggi goreng. So first of all, cook the Maggi first. Boil the Maggi. Boil the Maggi until soft. Okay, put aside. Now I'm going to cook the non-spicy version for Bryson. So first of all, stir fry the garlic. Bawang besar. Sausage. Egg. Maggi ingredient, Maggi curry, no need too much. For Bryson. Put in the noodle. A little bit of ketchup manis. Vegetable. Salt and aji. Okay guys, so Bryson one already masak. It's not spicy version. Okay guys, so now I'm cooking the normal version lah, the spicy one. So garlic, bawang besar, sausage, put egg, Put in the parancha. Maggi curry flavor. Put in the meat. Kecap manis. Put in the vegetable. Oh, jatuh guys. Put aji a bit.
Thanks for tuning in and watching our channel,
guys,
everyone.
cook ready.
If you loved our video, smash that like button, drop a comment, share the fun, and hit subscribe to join the Jessicajvst channel. That's right, just type Jessicajvst in the search bar to dive into more of our awesome videos. We can't wait to see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye-bye.
Maggi